What is going on, everybody? Welcome on into the Faithful Studio. I am Tyson with Faithfully Bearded, and today I want to welcome each and every new person that might click on this video. Maybe is new to No Shave November, new to a beard, new to beard products, and talk about some simple things that you need if you're starting your No Shave November journey. And at this point, you could possibly be in the itch phase. You could be in an annoying phase and maybe struggling of, do I keep my beard or do I shave it off? Am I going to keep it after this month? I don't know. So if you are not new here, please hit the thumbs up button. Make sure the bell's turned on. If you are new here, welcome. Consider hitting that subscribe button for all beard content and tips, tricks, how-tos, reviews of beard products, discount codes for you, and a website with fun things. Plus, we have the end of the year award show called The Beardies, and this is the third year. You get to go vote on your favorite beard companies and products and categories, and then we get to have an award show. So it's fun, it's engaging, interactive, and also very knowledgeable. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty knowledgeable. So we're going to get into that right after this. So thanks for sitting through that intro, and realistically, this video is made for the people that maybe started growing a beard in No Shave November. And you're 12 days in now, and you're just at that itchy phase. Maybe it's itchy, maybe it's annoying. You're trying to adjust and get used to it. And let me assure you that there is ways around the itch, and there is ways to get used to your beard even quicker. Now, you will get used to it, and you're going to face a bunch of little things along the way, like going like this with a coat on, and all of a sudden your beard hair gets caught in there. Little things and nuances and annoyances like that, they're going to happen. You might notice more hair in your sink because you're shedding. You might notice itchy, dry, flaky skin because No Shave November just happens to be when it's a dry time of year, so your skin naturally gets drier. Then you have your beard hair taking the oil from your skin, so you need to replenish that with a quality beard oil. Now, I'm not going to show any or promote any certain ones. There's a bunch of quality ones on the website. So if you go to faithfullybearded.com, you can click on beard care and find a bunch of quality beard products. Now, there is differences between certain styles of beard hair. Some people have a very thick beard, some people have thin beards, some people have coarser hair with very high porosity that sucks up the beard oil quick. And these are all videos that you can find on the channel to figure out what the porosity of your beard is and what beard oil you might find the best. But if you're here because it's No Shave November and you just have the itch and you want to get it taken care of, one tip and trick you could do is if you have a quality olive oil in your kitchen, you could put a little bit of olive oil, and I'm talking like 3 drops on your fingers, rub it into your beard. That is something that you could do to get through until you get yourself a quality beard oil. So I would get a quality beard oil, order it up, and use a little bit of olive oil until time being. That'll do you just fine. Maybe you have avocado oil. I don't really know what you have, but whatever you have, if it's olive oil, avocado oil, it's a good quality. You could put a little bit on there. And there's nothing I'd want to use long term, but it'll get you through until you get a high quality beard oil. You might also want to consider a beard balm or a beard butter. Now, there is differences between these. A balm is going to give you a little bit more of a hold. So if you're getting to more of a length where you want some hold and structure, maybe like my length, so you're probably not No Shave November, or maybe you just have a really fast growing beard, or maybe it's a little bit shorter, but you got hair starting to poke out around the way, and it's creating what we call flyaways. Maybe put a little bit of beard balm on there after your beard oil to help hold it into place. Beard butter is something that you would really put on. It's a lighter texture than beard balm. Balm, you get a little bit harder. It's got a little bit of wax in it to help hold it in place. A lot of times with butter, you don't have wax or a lot less wax, and it's a lot lighter. So it's going to go on and moisturize, something we put on before bed to put that moisturization in, because you do dehydrate over your sleeping periods. You're not getting water, you're dehydrating, you need your skin is drying out, you need something to help moisturize a little bit. So realistically, the skin underneath your beard is what is causing the itchiness. It's getting used to it. The beard hair is starting to pull out the oils of the skin, and the skin hasn't got used to reproducing that much yet. So, quality beard oil, get yourself something on your face to take away that itch to get started, and be ready for another video next week or the week after, or you can go back and watch my 2020 or 2019 No Shave November series to find out more info. If you just can't wait and you want to binge watch beard info now, there's a whole bunch on this channel. And the one that I am most proud of is the porosity series, where you can figure out which beard products work the best for your type of hair. You kind of need to know what style of hair you have. You have low, medium, or high porosity beard, and that's going to determine which beard products work the best for you and how often you're probably going to need it. So go do the porosity test, which again, just go on the channel and search beard porosity, Faithfully Bearded, or just click on the channel and scroll through and find the porosity series. There's a lot of good stuff. But a lot of these great beard companies also have soap for your skin, beard wash, you want to wash your beard, beard conditioner if you want to condition your beard. Again, that goes back to porosity. I haven't used a beard conditioner in over a year and a half. It's crazy. And my beard feels amazing, better than it felt with conditioner. So anyway, I urge you, if you're facing the itch and you're in No Shave November, to do a little bit of studying, because I think at the end of the month, you're going to want to keep your beard. You're in the nuance level right now. You're maybe itching. You're finding things that you don't like about your beard. It will grow on you. Pun intended, because it'll grow on you. And then hopefully at the end of the month, you keep your beard. So again, I am Tyson with Faithfully Bearded. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it finds you having a fantastic day, the day after Veterans Day, the day before the weekend, and we are going to have a fantastic weekend here, and I hope that you continue to grow your beard. So until I talk to you guys again soon, be bearded, be you, and God bless.